Hi guys, good morning. Guys, maulan ngayon.
Did you want your toothpaste and toothbrush?
Ayan, may toothbrush. So guys, ngayon, umuulan pa ng malakas. Guys, ngayon ang flight namin papuntang Palawan. Sana hindi maulan sa Palawan. Rainy.
We're gonna get wet. We're gonna get wet.
Gonna bring my umbrella. Ano na, nakabuka na? Ha? Umuulan, guys. Ready na si Mister. Ako, guys, ito lang yung dala ko. Carry on. Ha? I'm done in there.
All right,
Oh,
keys.
hold on, let me see.
Keys.
Oh, keys.
They don't get you to the front door. They get you to the front door. Sure. They don't do the front door. They're worthless.
No, that's...
When we
This
get-
is... It has front door now.
This is front door.
Yeah. Welcome to Leo Airport Terminal.
More like weather. Good weather.
Yeah.
Good
Ha ha. And look at this. Kaya magkano pa masahe papuntang El Nido Town?
El Nido Town. Anong hotel po ninyo, ma'am?
El Garden.
El Garden.
Hindi kami nakapag-message. So walang hindi ko...
Wala po doon, ma'am.
Wala. May tricycle doon sa
Opo,
labas.
ma'am. May mga tricycle po. Mas mura po.
Sige. Thank you.
Yung mga photo po ng tricycle. Dito po.
Sige.
Jake!
Yeah. Yeah, I forgot to message our hotel, that's why. But there's a lot of tricycle. Magkano tricycle sa El Nido Town?
Anong hotel niyo po?
El Garden.
El Nido Garden.
Oo.
300 po.
Sige. Dalawa na yun? Sige.
Sa Nido Garden. Nido Garden sa Nido.
Hi guys, we are here na. It's still too early, like 11:40 a.m. Maaga pa para mag-check-in. Kaya libot-libot muna kami. Ang ganda dito guys. Ito talaga summer. Oh, billiard. Andun yung ano, swimming pool. Wow. Wow. Damn. Look at that. Wow, what can you say?
Yeah, that's our beach. Our beach.
We're gonna we're gonna do island tours. Yeah.
That's pretty. I like the
Nice.
mountains. Big mountains.
Yeah. Let's take a picture. Wow, backdrop. Look at.
Wow.
Yeah. Guys, ang ganda ng view. Nandito si Mr. na nagtitingin sa menu. They're open 11 a.m. to 10 p.m. Wow, ang view naman. Ang ganda.
French fried rice.
Guys, just checking everything. So just check nitong yung gym. Wow. Nice gym. Nice. Medyo pumayat si Mister kasi pag andito talaga kami sa Pinas, nagkaka-diarrhea siya. Oh, let's go swim. Wow, they have 40 kilos. 40, 35, 35, 30, 30. Oh, whoa. 50. 50 kilos.
100 pounds each one, more than 100 pounds.
Wow.
10 pounds.
You wanna walk over there?
Kuya, wait lang.
There's a lot of restaurants there.
Ay, kaya ko?
There.
Kaya nga.
There.
Yan ko naman sa akin kasi.
Yeah, we can go there. Come on.
It's nice. Thank you so much. Kalawang.
sir?
Oh, no, I do not.
Thank you. Just black and black.
Just black coffee. The bread. Let's try the bread.
Stuff. You gotta have more, a lot more stuff.
Pizza.
Good pizza, buddy.
What about the romance?
A better presentation?
Yes, thank you.
Room check.
Sleepers for you.
Oh, sleepers.
Sleepers for you.
Room check. Ang bathroom. Wow. Saan yung ilaw? Wow, very spacious.
Very spacious, very nice.
Lots of cabinets.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. El Nido Garden Resort. Wow, meron pa nito. Wow. And the view. Wow, Tom, look at this view. No chair nga lang, walang upuan. Wow. Ang view. So guys, ito, dito na din kami, 2 p.m. Naghintay kami doon. After namin kumain, naghintay kami doon sa baba. Naantok na nga ako. Nakakaantok guys sa lamig. Oh my gosh. Hi guys. So naayos na namin yung mga gamit na ilagay ko na doon sa cabinet. And then ngayon guys, ay pupunta kami sa stores. Maglilibot-libot lang. Kasi nag-search kasi yung kapatid ko. Sabi niya, pinaalalahanan niya ako na yung tubig daw dito parang parang hindi daw safe. Kahit daw pag toothbrush, hindi daw safe. So sabi niya bili na lang daw kami ng tubig na gagamitin namin. Kasi mag-iingat na ako ngayon guys. Kasi yung asawa ko, si Tom, nagka-diarrhea. Medyo matagal na yung diarrhea niya. Bumalik ulit yung diarrhea niya nang kumain siya ng kinilaw. Kinilaw. Yun. Ang dami pa niyang kinain doon sa ano pa namin yun, sa Katbalogan. Nagustuhan niya kasi yung kinilaw. Oh, I love the view. Pinakita ko na ba guys yung view? So guys, nakabili na kami ng 2 beer and isang water, 6 liters. Mabuti na lang maganda yung panahon dito. Kasi sa Cebu, umalis kami doon ng maulan. It was rainy at Cebu.
It was raining all day.
Yeah, and here it's sunny. Yes. Sunny, perfect. So mamaya guys, titingnan namin ang ang mga tour. Kasi mag-one day tour kami. Yung island hopping. Tapos, yung pang 3rd day namin, explore namin yung mga beach dito. Nasasakay lang ng tricycle. Ha?
Yeah. Good. You're Italian right here, right?
Yes. Yeah. Ito lang yung resort na. Yeah, let's walk farther.
Okay.
Let's walk farther. So you want
American.
American? In my house. So guys, dito naglalakad-lakad lang kami. Nadaanan namin yung simbahan. Hi guys! So, andito kami. Dito kami magdi-dinner. Do you like the view? Dito ang view namin. View! What a nice view! Guys. Hi guys! Kauwi lang namin. Ano to guys, bumili ako ng hat. Hat. Para bukas. Ano to? 400, 350. And then, so guys, bumili rin ako ng short. Kasi yung short na dala ko, ginagamit ko na yun dati pa. Ilang beses ko na yun ginamit. Ito. Match siya dito sa hat ko. Uy, match. And then, ito guys, bumili rin ako ng bag para hindi mabasa yung gamit na dadalhin ko. Ano to? Magkano? 400. 400 pesos.
Good deal. A steal of a deal.
I will not bring my camera.
Oh, yeah, right.
No, just my cell phone. I'm gonna use my cell phone. Cell phone is okay.
I think that's a damn good choice. Camera costs too much.
Bakit ano? Ganyan. Backpack lang siya, guys. Oh. Pwede rin siyang pwede rin siyang parang sana magkasya to. So, yun lang guys. Gustong-gusto namin yung room kasi napaka-spacious din and then maganda ang view. And then, so kanina pala guys, nag-book na kami ng tour para bukas. Yung pinili ko sana ay Tour D, yung hindi crowded daw na tour na yon. Maraming reviews na hindi crowded. Yun sana yung gusto ko kasi kasi ayaw rin nito masyadong maraming tao. But, hindi daw yun available para bukas. So, yung pinili ko na lang ay yung Tour A, which is, it's gonna be crowded, but that's understandable because that's very famous tour. Like, a lot of people want to see that tours. So, what can you say, El Nido, Palawan?
Well, nice. Very active. Lots of people out. Tourists everywhere.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like their town because we are in the town. This resort is in town proper. And I like it because it's just a walking distance to everything.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
That's nice. Lots of action.
Yeah.
Party.
Yeah.
Good. Yeah. Good. Nice see. Good views. Good views.
Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and I will see you in our next vlog.